Today, I'll show you a very simple recipe, buttermilk. Buttermilk is traditionally the leftover liquid of butter making process. You can encounter many recipes where you need to use buttermilk. It's used in desserts, in marinating chicken and meat, etc. So, if you are looking at a recipe where you need to use buttermilk, but you don't have any buttermilk at home, or you cannot find buttermilk in your country, then you are in the correct video. I'll show you how to make a buttermilk alternative that is going to work perfectly in all your recipes. Making this buttermilk alternative is going to take only 5 minutes. Other than this recipe, I have prepared many great recipe videos for you in the Food Chief channel. If you want to see more recipes, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We start making buttermilk by putting the milk into a container. And then we simply add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into it. We stir it for 10 seconds. Then we have to wait for around 5 minutes. At the end of 5 minutes, your buttermilk is ready to use in many recipes. You'll see that it's going to become a kind of sour and thicker liquid. I hope you enjoy this incredibly simple buttermilk recipe. If you try and like this recipe, please don't forget to mention in the comments below. There are many great recipes on my channel, so if you want to see more recipes, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.